So today we will be practicing about filter function, and as you know it gives you an array after applying some condition onto it. So here we have our input array as in 1 2 3 4 5, and output what we want is only those numbers who are divisible by 2. Okay, so how we are going to do this is first we'll apply filter, then you guys must know that percent symbol is not allowed here. So what we'll be using mod function. Our item, we will supply item comma 2 because we want to divide it with 2, and then again we need to check it with 0 or not, if it is 0 or not. So here we are getting our output, that is 2 and 4. How it is executing mod function? First this is the dividend and this is the divisor 2, so item divided by 2. So first it will be item percent 2, so 1% 2, it is like remainder will not be 0, 2% 2, remainder is 0, 3% 2, remainder is 1, 4% 2, remainder is 0, 5% 2, remainder is 1. So only two things satisfy the conditions, okay, 2 and 4, and here you will get a new array which will have only 2 and 4. Hope you guys understood it. Thank you.